Yes, Matt, we're still tracking the tropics. Invest 91L is brewing in the Gulf just north of the Yucatan Peninsula and west of Cuba. National Hurricane Center has upgraded to about a 40% chance of development within the next 48 hours. So we're definitely keeping a close eye on this. Now, I want you to take a look at this. All this moisture, that's what's given us that warm, muggy, and rainy weather throughout the past couple of days. And that's going to be hanging around for the next few days until in about the weekend. Now, if you're planning your day for tomorrow, here we go hour by hour. 9 a.m., warm and muggy with that tropical moisture in the air. A few showers by noontime, temperature will be 83, and then we'll hit a daytime high of 88 degrees. I'll be back in a couple minutes with a look at the 7-day forecast and a look at the weekend. Things might be clearing up. But first, let's take a look at those roads with Nicole Pasecki filling in for Jess Sanchez. Nicole, good morning. Thanks, Matt. Yeah, we're looking at some tropical moisture as it continues to build and make its way to Central Florida. All those greens and yellows showing the light and moderate rain all across Central Florida. It's definitely warm, it's definitely muggy, and it's going to be like that today for the rest of the day as well as this weekend. So we're going to be keeping a track on that. Now, as we take a look at temperatures right now at the door, 76 for you in Leesburg. Villages, you're sitting at 73. 75 for Daytona Beach as well as New Smyrna. In Orlando, we're at 77 degrees. Now, as you plan your day for tomorrow, it's going to be warm and muggy, and you're going to notice the clouds and the lightning in the skies tomorrow. A few showers at noon, 83 will be the temperature, and then by 4 p.m. we'll reach our daytime high of 88 degrees. We'll be tracking those storms and all that tropical moisture coming up in a couple minutes. But first, let's take a look at those roads with Nicole Pasecki filling in for Jessica Sanchez. Yeah, we're feeling warm and sticky right now out the door. We're looking at 76 degrees in Leesburg right now, 74 in Sanford, 75 in Daytona Beach, and 79 down south in Kissimmee. Orlando, we're looking at 77 degrees. That moisture is going to be around as that tropical moisture from the Gulf keeps building over the next few days. We're looking warm and muggy at 9 a.m., 75 degrees out the door there. Noontime, we start tracking those showers. It'll be about 83 degrees, and then we'll hit a daytime high tomorrow by 4 p.m. of 88 degrees. We're definitely going to have that moisture all the way through the week. So I'll be back with a 7-day forecast in a couple minutes. But first, let's check on those roads with Nicole Pasecki, who's filling in for Jess Sanchez. Thanks, Guard. Yeah, we're tracking the tropics right now. Invest 91L brewing just north of the Yucatan Peninsula. And I want you to take a close look at this because this is what's giving us all that moisture and all that rain and humid air. National Hurricane Center has upgraded to a 40% chance of development right now in the next 48 hours. So notice by the orange, that's a medium chance that it will develop into a named storm and head towards our direction. Right now, the models are putting it into the Big Bend and into the Panhandle. So we look good right now. We'll definitely keep a close eye on that. If you're planning your day tomorrow, we'll go hour by hour. 9 a.m., we're looking at 75 degrees, warm and muggy with all that tropical moisture. A few showers by noontime, temperature will be 83 degrees. And then notice the clouds and the lightning over downtown Orlando. We'll be tracking those storms by 4 p.m. The high goes to 88 degrees. Now let's take a look at those roads with Nicole Pasecki filling in for Jess Sanchez. Nicole, how are the roads looking this morning? Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Alex Salisi. Thank you for clicking over to justweather.com. Take a look at this satellite and radar together showing the clouds and the rain from the Gulf of Invest 91L all streaming into northern and central Florida. That's giving us that rain and the humid tropical feeling air. That's going to be like that for the next few days as Invest 91L makes its way to the north and the east. Clouds and rain forecast tonight showing everything starts to die down by 9 p.m. And then we're looking at just clouds for the overnight, about 30% coverage of rain, no washouts. If you're heading out tonight, bring an umbrella for those light showers, but you won't have to worry much about the lightning or the strong rain. As the day goes on tomorrow, we'll be tracking storms by 1:30 p.m. Look at the yellow and the orange right here. That's showing some moderate showers over Seminole County. And as those east and west coast sea breezes collide, you know the drill. We're going to have some stronger storms form and lots of lightning and lots of rain. Temperatures tonight, pretty much where we have been the past few nights. We're looking at 71 in the Villages, 72 in Sanford, 73 in Palm Coast. Along the coast, we're looking at 72 degrees in Daytona Beach. Overnight temperature for tonight in Orlando is 72 with a south 5 to 10 mile per hour winds. It'll be mostly cloudy. A few showers will be ending. Here's a look at tomorrow. Starting off warm and muggy with that tropical moisture in the air, 75 degrees for 9 a.m. Noontime, lunchtime, we're looking at a few showers, 83 degrees, and then we'll be tracking those storms by 4. The daytime high goes to 88 degrees. Thursday, we're looking at an increased 80% chance of rain. Friday, we're looking at 60. But then by time for the weekend, we look like the rain chances start to slow down. We're about 40%, and temperatures will be in the 90s. We'll keep track of all the changes right here on justweather.com.